Good morning. Which assets cannot be depreciated? Section 197, Intangible Properties. Generally, you do not depreciate intangible properties. However, there are few that can be depreciated. So if you read the instructions to Form 45CC2, page 15, in fact, way before page 15, instructions to Form 45 around line 16. Line 16 of Form 45CC2. That's where few intangible properties can be depreciated. The amount will go there. But if you read the instructions related to that line 16, you'll be able to see the short list of those intangible properties that can be depreciated. And one of them is computer software. You could depreciate it over 36 months using straight line. But generally, you do not depreciate intangible properties. They have to be amortized. So one type of intangible properties, they are by sections. So I'm going to talk about one section, section 197. A lot of time in your business, you'll encounter intangible properties that are included in section 197. So section 197, intangible properties cannot be depreciated. They have to be amortized. And one example of that would be startup costs, organizational costs. You have the option during the first year when you start your business to expense the startup costs or organizational costs, to deduct the full amount or a part of it, depending on the amount. So there is a rule around that. But then any remaining amount that you are not able to deduct that first year have to be amortized over 180 months. So you do not depreciate section 197 intangible properties. In that list, you'll find trademarks, some permits issued by governments. You'll find goodwills and patents, copyrights, believe, process, formulas. So, and you'll find the list on page 16 of the instructions for Form 45CC2. You have a long list there for intangible properties. So intangible properties cannot be depreciated, and section 197, intangible property, cannot be depreciated, has to be amortized. Land, you cannot depreciate land. So any improvement made to the landscaping, you cannot depreciate the improvement either. So it has to be added to, the value of the land. So it's when you sell the property that you'll be able to recover those costs, but you do not depreciate land. Assets, and assets you place in your business, you purchase and place in your business, using your business during the first year and remove from your business during that same year. A depreciable asset that you place in service during a year and remove from service during that same year cannot be depreciated. So those are the three things you need to keep in mind. Intangible properties, most of them, including section 197, land and assets used in your business and remove from your business during that same year that you place in service. Those three things within those three categories cannot be depreciated. Thank you so much for your time. We thank you very much for watching our videos. We thank you all that subscribe to our channel. We really appreciate it, and we thank you very much for all your comments. I'm Afiavi Ojune Liberman, creators of Liberman Consulting L.L.C YouTube channel, Liberman Consulting L.L.C podcast, and NinaSoap.com, our blog. We have free download session on our blog, NinaSoap.com, where you can access links to IRS form and instructions. We do have our online stores as well, including LiberDownload.com for digital products, Liber Label for custom apparels, Liber Download for digital products, Liber Outlet for resale products, and NinasSoap.com for natural products. Thank you.